When we talk about cloud, you may already have some ideas on how to implement it in your own environment to make the most out of it. You can go private, choose one or more hypervisors for virtualization while offering a self-service portal with orchestration capabilities in your data center. You can go public and just send all the infrastructure out of your premises to leaving one or more cloud providers, or you could go hybrid, which is a mixture of both. Today, hybrid cloud is the popular choice. Some loads may need to stay in our data centers, while others may be suitable to live in the public cloud depending on their type and our demands. Let's take this as an example. Let's say you go on vacation to the beach. You go to the airport, you take an airplane, and once you're there, you either rent a car or pay for a taxi by the meter. You don't need to buy a car because it would just not make sense. In this case, the taxi is a short-term and a specific purpose transportation solution. However, once vacations end and you go back home, paying by the meter may become more expensive than buying your own car. Therefore, most of you have cars of your own wherever you may live. The same thing happens with clouds. Public clouds are great for short-term projects and depth test loads, as well as burst capacity, as I can get network, storage, and compute immediately without having to host it on-prem. However, once I need an application up and running 24/7, it may become more expensive. SLAs may not be deterministic, security may be uncertain, and even migration and cloud lock-in may become an issue. In these scenarios, a private cloud may be the better choice. Okay, we all get the reasoning behind hybrid cloud. However, there are still many questions that arise when implementing it, like, what happens when my apps move from dev to production? How do I move from public cloud to private cloud? Or what if one cloud is charging too much and I want to change? The answer is usually more time and more money. You need to repeat the same working configurations for each cloud independently, and it is almost impossible to move loads between clouds. Cisco Cloud Center is a software-only solution that allows you to add infrastructure resources from any cloud, regardless being public or private, just by providing your credentials to each of them. Then, based on a catalog, IT users in your company choose the service they want as part of a self-service portal with multiple services available that you can customize and create for them. For example, let's say we want to run a Windows machine. Cloud Center will allow the user to select which cloud it wants to run that service on, based on the hybrid cloud resources available. And it will also display its associated costs so that it can decide what the best option may be. Although Cloud Center fully integrates and provides additional value when using with other Cisco solutions like ACI, HyperFlex, and Tetration Analytics, you don't need to have any Cisco hardware for this solution to work. Cloud Center directly connects with hypervisors or cloud providers of your choice, and it deploys the service anywhere you chose automatically within minutes. With Cloud Center, you just need to install a single Cloud Center Manager virtual machine, called the CCM, and this will communicate with Cloud Center Orchestrator VM, or CCO, living on every cloud you may need, public or private, to deploy the services you model once. Once you deploy the service, you may access your application or VM directly without having to manage private keys and other files usually associated to cloud resource management. Cloud Center provides a single pane of glass for all your resources in a multi-cloud environment. With this in mind, why you should be sticking to a single cloud provider? Have them all. Go hybrid, model once, and deploy anywhere in minutes with Cisco Cloud Center.